Bakit may mga babae na mas ligawin kesa sa iba? Maganda ka naman, may itsura ka, mabait ka naman, matino kang babae. Alam mo, you are marriage material. Pero bakit ikaw walang boyfriend, walang nangliligaw, pero iba mong kaibigan? Hindi kasing ganda mo, pero laging sila ang pinipilahan ng mga lalaki. Ano yon? Mas malandi lang sila kaysa sa'yo? I don't know. Let me give you an example. I have a friend who went up to me a few years ago and asked me, J. Paul, sa totoo lang, sabihin mo nga kung pangit ako. Kinabahan ako kasi, what if, it's a trick question, what if she kills me? And I told her, honestly, I'm gonna tell you as a friend who cares about me. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, may tsura ka naman, okay ka naman. Kaso, alam mo yung, the way mo dalhin sarili mo, ang taray mo kasi. Tsaka medyo lola ka masyado. And nagalit sa akin. For about a week, she did not talk to me. But, you know, after that, she realized, oh nga no, paano ko magugustuhan ng lalaki kung hindi niya ako makikilala? Another friend of mine told me, J. Paul, malapit na akong mag-31, malapit na akong mawala sa kalendaryo, pero wala pa rin akong boyfriend. But yung iba kong friend, tignan mo itong friend kong, pinatin sa Facebook, mas maganda naman ako sa kanya, di ba? Pero alam mo siya, laging may boyfriend. Pagka-break nila, 1 month after, may nangliligaw na sa kanya. Ako, post ng picture, wala pa din. Let me give an example. You see, it's not about if nagpo-post kang picture, maganda ka or hindi. I believe every woman, especially if you're watching this, you are beautiful. But the problem is, minsan, may mga babae, ganito, papakilala ko, ito, pakilala ko sa itong guy na to. Sabihin kagad, hindi, ayaw ko sa kanya, ayaw kagad. Hindi mo pa nga nakikilala, ayaw mo na kagad. A lot of ladies, gusto nila instant boyfriend. Alam mo ang problema sa instant boyfriend, na biglang may Prince Charming lang, ang problema doon, instant din mawawala. So what you need to work on your relationship. What? Lalandi-landi ka kahit saan? Hindi ganon. But you need to be available. The reason I believe why some women are always attracting guys, it's because they make themselves available. Not just because they're flirty or malande or pakawala, but because they open themselves to people. Guys know them, and guys pwedeng nagandahan sila, tasakto sa ugali, and then they would pursue that woman. Lady, girl, beshi, best. May crush ka, di ba? Or may gusto kang lalaki, gusto mong ligawan ka, pero nagpapaligaw ka ba? Are you opening yourself to meeting new guys? Or sinasarado mo kagad kung hindi siya ganun kagwapo? Here's my suggestion to you. Hindi porket mysterious, matinong lalaki. Hindi porket gwapo, bubuhayin ka niyan. You know what I believe in? Ang lalaking masipag, pumupogi din. So, what you need to do? Be available. Open yourself to meeting up new men, new guys, even if walang mangyari or walang ligawan, but just because of networking, friendship, and I believe because of this, you will meet a guy. Huwag kang puro simba lang, or puro work lang, or just don't do something different. Meet new people, go to the gym, have coffee, and just don't meet guys at the bar lang. Just go out and be open to befriending people. Here's my question to you. If you're a guy, would you date yourself? Would you talk to yourself? Would you court yourself? My dear lady, my dear friend, do you want love? Then be open to love. And I believe you will attract the right guy. My number one suggestion, be available. If you're available, the right guy will come. Thank you for watching Overcomer, and I believe you are an overcomer. You will overcome that loneliness and find your one true love. The best is yet to come, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. God bless you. See you around.
Tell me what there's more to do.